Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss what is meant by Hamilton path, circuit, or Hamilton circle. Okay, so first let us discuss what you have to exactly remember when you come across with the word Hamilton. Hamilton means what you have to remember means when you come across the Euler circuit or Euler path, what you have remembered? E for edge. Euler circuit means E for edge. In Hamilton, you have to remember vertex. So, vertex should not be repeated. All the vertexes you have to cover. So, that is the main concept here. Okay. Each vertex only once. First, last vertex should be the same. So, all the vertex you have to cover. So, then you can say that it is a Hamilton circuit. So, for this one, can we draw a Hamilton circuit or not for this diagram? Covering all the vertices where you have start in the same place you have to end. That means a from a we have started means at a only we have to end. Vertex should not be repeated. So if you just check it this one. So this is the way from a to f, f to c, c to b, b to d, d to e. Again, this is not f, this is some other vertex. Let us consider it is g. Let us consider e to g, g to a. So this is the concept. So just check it, all the vertices are covered or not. All the vertices we have covered. I have started at a and ended at also a. Therefore this is called an Hamilton circuit. So when you can say that Hamilton path, so you have covered all the vertices, but you have started at a and ended at some g, then you can say that it is a Hamilton path. So Hamilton means you have to remember vertex, whereas Euler circuit or Euler path means you have to remember edge. Okay, next. So can you guess the Hamilton circuit for this one? So 4 5 6 7. Okay, so what is the this one? 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6 and 7. So if you come like this, all the vertices covered, but what happened, you started at 1 and you have landed at 7. So then what is, can you, this one is not an Euler Hamilton circuit, this is not Hamilton circuit, then what it became? Hamilton path. So each vertex only once, starting ending points are different, therefore it is Hamilton path. Okay, now you got an idea. Hamilton circuit means each vertex only once, where you have started and landed is the same place. Here the starting and landing places are different. So next you come across this example. Here it is also the same thing model. Next you consider this one. So can we have a Euler circuit for this one? So let us consider 1 to 7. Next 7 to 12. 7 to 12 means like this. 12 to 6. So this is the way. First vertex to 7, 7 to 12 vertex, 12 vertex to 6, 6 to 5, 5 to 11, 11 to 10, 10 to 4, 4 to 3, 3 to 9, 9 to 8, 8 to 2, 2 to 1. So I have started at 1 and landed 1. I have covered all the vertices. Then it is called a Hamilton circuit. This graph has a Hamilton circuit. So next, whether this one has an Hamilton circuit or path. So I have started at 1, let us consider, and I have ended at 5, covering all the vertices. This is what happens, each vertex only once. Vertex concept means Hamilton. Therefore this is Hamilton path exist. Here I have written Euler, not Euler, is Hamilton path. Okay, next you come across this example. Here also 5 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 6, again 6 to 1 also you can get. 1 also you can come across with this Euler circuit exist. So next 1 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 1 Hamilton circuit. Okay, next now you come across with some diagrams, whether this one has, check whether Euler circuit exists or Hamilton circuit. Only we are discussing about the Euler and Hamilton circuit. Euler and Hamilton circuits. What is Euler? What you have to remember, edge. Hamilton means vertex. So in Euler circuit, what we have discussed is, by looking at the graph, if all the vertices are having the even degree, then it is Euler circuit. So let us consider first diagram. All the vertices are having the even degree? No. Therefore this is doesn't have the Euler circuit. Okay. So let us check whether the Hamilton circuit exists. Hamilton circuit means all the vertices you have to cover, and starting and landing vertex should be the same. Not possible. Therefore Hamilton circuit doesn't exist. Euler circuit doesn't exist. We are discussing about the Hamilton and Euler circuits only, or cycles. Next you come across with this one, whether this diagram has Euler circuit. This degree is 2, 4, 2, 2, 2. Euler circuit exists. Very good. Next, what about the Hamilton circuit? Hamilton circuit. So by covering all the vertices, you have to come to the same point. 1 to 3, 3 to 2, 2 to 4, again 4 to 3. Again vertex is repeated. Therefore, what happened? Euler circuit exists. Hamilton circuit not possible. Next, you come across with the third diagram. What this degree is, how much for this one? It is 3. This is also 3. This is also 3. Therefore Euler circuit doesn't exist. Then what about the Hamilton circuit? Hamilton circuit exists. Next you come across with the fourth diagram. So degree is 2. Here it is, degree is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Euler circuit doesn't exist. So what about the Hamilton path? Hamilton circuit exists. Next we go for this one. Here also degree 3 exists. Therefore Hamilton Euler circuit doesn't exist. Hamilton path exists. Next, for this diagram, this one has degree 4. This one has degree 3. Degree 3 means Euler circuit doesn't exist. Hamilton path exists. Just check it. Okay. Next, if you come across with this one, degree 2, degree 3. So Euler circuit doesn't exist. Here Euler circuit doesn't exist. So Hamilton circuit exists. Next, for the last diagram, here degree 2, degree 2, degree 2, degree 2. So Euler circuit exists. Hamilton circuit not possible. Hamilton circuit not possible. This is the way to study the Hamilton circuits and Euler circuits. Okay. So next, what you have to finally remember means, Hamilton means vertex, Euler means edge. You have to remember. Then what is the difference between a circuit and path means? Circuit means you have to cover all, you have to Euler circuit means you have to cover all the vertices. Sorry, in Euler circuit means you have to cover all the edges. Edges should not be repeated, and the first vertex and last vertex should be the same. Similar for the Hamilton in terms of the vertices. Okay, thank you.